This is the best massage ball ever, and I'm going to show you and Maggie how to roll the upper back, right? So place it under the shoulder blade on the right side there. Let's focus on that right side, okay? And what I want you to do is you just rotate. There you go, rotate. And what you're doing right now is you're just trying to find areas that are tight, trying to find areas that are achy. Apply pressure to those muscles. They need pressure to relax. Okay, bend your knees, go up and down. There you go. There you go. Do some circles, do some circles. There's no wrong way to do this. It's not going to hurt. The ball is firm yet flexible. There you go. There you go. Good. Okay, so this is the best massage ball ever. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.